Hello and welcome to Instant Node. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to fix unable to verify update on iPhone. iOS 18 is temporary, unavailable, try again later issue. So let's get started. Go to your settings of your phone and just make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection. Switch to cellular data if your Wi-Fi is not working and do vice versa. The next step is you need to go to the general settings, scroll down and click on iPhone storage. You need to make sure that you have minimum 6 GB of storage available in your phone for not having this issue and run everything smoothly. Scroll down in general settings and click on VPN and device management. Just make sure that you are not connected to any VPN. If this also do not resolve the issue, you can try to reset your iPhone. Click on transfer or reset iPhone, then click on reset. And after that, you need to click on reset network settings. This will reset all the network settings in your iPhone and then you can connect it again. The last thing which you can do is go back again and click on software update. Here click on automatic update and make sure that you have enabled iOS updates automatically. So whenever you get an update, it will get automatically installed in your phone. If this also do not solve the issue, just try to restart your iPhone once and you can try it after 45 minutes this step as well. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.